What are going to be some of the highest paying jobs in the coming years? Which industries will see the most amount of growth for new grads? Which positions will offer job security while paying great paychecks? Which jobs should you focus on if you want to have your dream career or financial freedom? If these are some of the questions in your mind right now, then this video is for you, where I will list out some of the top paying jobs in the coming years in the tech industry. So stick around to the end and see which one suits you the best, and one that even pays over $200,000. Hi guys, here from sunny but very cold Michigan here in the month of October. My name is Harris and I am a corporate consultant who has helped many people land their dream jobs in the tech and financial industry. I myself am an engineer by profession, but resume editing, corporate counseling, interview counseling are some of the things I love to do, and I've helped many of my friends and many people in the industry. If those are some of the things that might interest you or some of the things you are looking for, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and stick around. Number one on the list is data scientist or analyst. Simply put, a data scientist or analyst is someone who basically extracts meaning or benefit from large sets of data. Now, they do this by using tools such as programming, machine learning, or even human logic. Most of the data that companies have are very messy and very large. So data scientists gather this data and organize and clean them in a way that will help see patterns and behaviors for these organizations, that will help them solve customer problems, predict patterns, predict consumer habits, or even solve large organizational issues. Now, their job is also to visually present this data to their organizations so business and technical decisions can be made by the leaders of the company. So who is this job for? Well, if you love mathematics, if you love statistics, you will definitely enjoy being a data scientist. Additional skills that will help you get these jobs and excel in them are programming, management information systems, and overall computer science. The two most common programming languages used in data science right now are Python and R. So be sure to hone your skills in these. Now let's talk about salary. While entry-level professionals have an average median salary of around $95,000, some of the more experienced professionals in data science can be seen earning up to $200,000. So if you seem to have a knack for these programming languages and love working with large sets of numbers and data, well, data science might be the career for you. Number two on the list is Information Systems Security Manager. Now, Security Manager for Information Systems provides leadership and guidance on the systems set in place by the organization to protect their data and systems. Now, these individuals in the company are responsible for ensuring that the security systems that are set in place to repel cyber attacks or security breaches are in working order. They provide guidance for security systems, evaluate networks for security vulnerabilities, firewall systems, conduct computer patch management, and data encryption. Now, how to enter the field? Well, most information system security managers have a bachelor's degree in either computer programming, IT, networks, or something similar. As far as the skills are concerned, this individual should have strong communication, analytical, and problem-solving skills, because from day-to-day jobs, they see a wide variety of problems which require unique solutions. Now, these jobs offer well above $100,000 in various industries, since every type of company nowadays in the world needs data protection and needs to protect their systems. And another good thing about this field, it's expected to grow a whopping 32% in the next 10 years. So if you're a new grad, your chances of landing a new job in Information System Security Manager are pretty high. Number three on my list today is Artificial Intelligence. Now, Artificial Intelligence, or AI, sometimes gets divided into two branches: Artificial Intelligence or Machine Learning. Now, these are sometimes inaccurately used interchangeably, but they can mean different things at different times, since machine learning is a sub-branch of artificial intelligence. Now, AI includes processes and tasks that the machine or robot can do without human intervention. AI makes it possible for us to unlock our smartphones with our faces, ask our virtual assistants questions, and receive vocalized answers. Now, on the flip side, machine learning refers to computers learning from their experiences, adjust their input and output, and also perform human-like tasks. These can be used to recognize speech, pictures, or even behavior at times. Now, one thing to note, that some of the previous jobs I've mentioned can also be incorporated into AI, since artificial intelligence is such a broad field. While getting a degree in computer science, programming, can help you definitely to enter the field of artificial intelligence. Developing skills specific to your industry will really boost your chances of getting that high-paying job or going for that promotion. Your experience and ability to deliver results for your company will eventually decide if you are successful there or not. According to some researchers, there will be over 3 million jobs of artificial intelligence just in the United States by the year 2023. So, these were the 3 of the highest paying jobs in the tech industry that are expected to expand and grow in the coming years. I hope this information helped anyone trying to enter college in one of these fields, just becoming a new grad, or even having a change of careers any point in their life. Now, another thing I would like to add here is the industry we see today is changing ever so fast. Every day technology is changing. So some of the highest paying jobs that will exist maybe by 2030 might not even exist today, because some of the jobs I mentioned did not exist 20 or 30 years ago. Now, if there are any other jobs or career paths that you know are expected to grow and offer really high-paying jobs, do let me and the other viewers know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching this video, and I really hope you enjoyed it. For more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Are we done? It's really getting cold.